Alrighty guys, so we've had a few requests every now and then, so we thought we'd just shoot a video so that we can send it to you so that you can easily adjust your hot water timer. So basically, when you're looking at your app, sometimes you'll see a big spike in the morning, and perhaps depending on the season, such as winter, the system isn't producing enough and the hot water system is kicking in too early, meaning you're purchasing from Ergon and not having it come under your solar system. So I just wanted to run you guys through a quick video on how to adjust this timer and also how to turn it on manually if for whatever reason you've got a lot of family over, you've used all the hot water up until sort of the night and you need to heat it back up during the night when the timer's not on. So let's have a look. So all we do to start with is we click this open, and the first thing we want to look at is this top section here. If you flick it all the way up, is off, which you don't want to do. In the middle here, next to this clock, is the timer, which is whatever we got set here. And if you want to set it manually to run through the night or at any other particular time that you want hot water to heat, you click it down and that'll turn the contactor on. So if we go back to the time and we have a look, we can see here on the right is where it is timed to come on, and wherever these knobs are over to the left is where it's off. So if we scroll through, it's off from 15, which is 3 o'clock, all the way through the night. And then as we get to 10 o'clock, you'll see that this little arm is now clicking on the number 10. So this timer is set from 10 through to 3 o'clock, and then it turns back off. So if you want to change that for whatever reason to earlier, you can go through here and basically click these over to start at 8:30, for example. And if you want it to finish earlier, then you can click these over to finish earlier as well. So hopefully that Okay, so hopefully that helps you readjust your timing settings for whatever's going to suit you best. And most importantly, remember to flick it down to the little on symbol there if you want to turn it on whenever you need. Thanks guys, talk soon.